What if I told you that excess weight is stealing years of your life? And it's not just about beauty or self-confidence, it's about health, energy, even about how fast you age. But today's topic is even sharper: why it's dangerous to live with excess weight, and what insidious consequences it has for your body and life. Watch until the end, because in the finale, you'll learn some non-obvious facts that can really make you look at yourself in the mirror in a completely new way. Excess weight is not just about a few centimeters on the waist or a fold on the stomach. It's a signal that your body is not working the way it should. Every extra kilogram is an additional load on the heart, joints, lungs, even the brain. Imagine carrying a backpack with 20 kilos of bricks every day. How long could you walk like that before you'd feel back pain, fatigue, and shortness of breath? That's exactly how your body feels when you ignore excess weight. One of the biggest myths is that a little fat doesn't matter. In reality, it's with a little that the snowball of problems begins. At first, you notice that you get tired faster. Then comes shortness of breath even while going upstairs. Later, blood pressure issues, high sugar levels, and eventually a hospital card with diagnosis that might not have appeared if you had taken care of your body in time. Excess weight is directly linked to the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and sleep problems. Maybe you think it's too early for me to worry about that, but the body doesn't wait until you're ready to change. It suffers right now. And what's worse, the longer you delay making changes, the harder it becomes to get back into healthy shape. I can say this from my own experience. There was a period when I gained weight from 80 kilos to 105, and one morning when I woke up, I realized that it was hard for me because my stomach wouldn't let me get up easily and cause discomfort. There's another aspect people often don't talk about. Excess weight affects your psyche. A person becomes less confident, and even if they smile on the outside, inside they often feel shame, irritation, or apathy. I went through this myself too. I avoided photos, new acquaintances. I was afraid of going to the pool or places where I could be seen without a t-shirt. It's a vicious circle. The discomfort pushes you to eat away even more stress. And now, let's be honest, when was the last time you really enjoyed your body? When you looked in the mirror and thought, wow, I'm in shape. If it hasn't happened in a long time, maybe the point is not only in workouts, but also in the excess weight that is stealing this possibility from you. It's also important to understand being overweight is not just about appearance. It's about the quality of your life. A person with excess weight gets tired faster, is less likely to engage in active recreation, and feels older than they really are. And here, you don't need to compare yourself with models or professional athletes. It's about the basic energy you could have every day, but lose because of extra pounds. And by the way, I already made a video about why it sucked to be a bodybuilder. There we talked about extremes when the desire to be super muscular harms your health. But now we see the other side of the same coin, the extreme of being overweight. And it's no better. Both options harm the body just in different ways. Another insidious thing about excess weight is that it comes unnoticed. Today, you think, well, just 2 to 3 extra kilos, not a problem. But in half a year, those 2 to 3 kilos turn into 7 to 8 and then 10 to 15. And that's when you start looking for miracle diets, pills, or magic exercises, instead of realizing in time the cause is in your habits. Your body always reflects your lifestyle, and if you are living with excess weight right now, it means your lifestyle is working against you. The sooner you realize this, the faster you'll be able to turn the situation to your advantage. So, the conclusion is simple. Living with excess weight is like playing the lottery with your health every day, and the chances of winning are very small. You lose not only physical shape, but also years of life, self-confidence, freedom of movement, and the energy that could make your life much brighter. Now, imagine that you could change this situation. Not tomorrow, not starting Monday, but right now, and make it so that a year from now, you'll look back at this moment as the turning point when you decided to become the best version of yourself. If what I said resonates with you, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. Hit the like button so I know you're interested in my content, and write in the comments, what's your main motivation to get rid of excess weight? Maybe you want more energy, maybe health, or simply to enjoy your body and your life. Share it, because your comment might inspire someone else to start their change. So stay with me.